Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Real English with Arash. Today we are going to learn a very useful phrase which is at the expense of. Okay, it's really useful for your conversation. It's really natural. So let's understand the meaning. So it means when you gain or achieve something but you lose or harm something else because of it. Okay, so you get one thing, okay, but you give up another. Okay, so let me give you an example. For example, I got the promotion but I lost my free time. Okay, so I say I work hard to get a promotion at the expense of my free time. Okay, let me read some examples, some practical examples for you. I've been working really hard lately, but at the expense of my sleep. It means I'm achieving something, work success, but I'm losing sleep. Okay. He is trying to make more money, but it's coming at the expense of his health. Okay, I focused so much on English grammar last month. Okay, at the expense of my speaking practice. Okay, and another topic. For example, they ask you say something about technology. They ask you your opinion about technology. You can say technology is improving our lives, but sometimes at the expense of human connection. Okay, and you can use everyday synonyms. I mean other synonyms. Let me read some synonyms for you. One synonym is but it cost me. Okay, I got the promotion but it cost me my weekend. Okay, or but I focused on work and ended up ignoring my health. Another one, but it came with a price. Okay, success came with a price. Okay, but I paid for it. Okay, I stay up late finishing the project and paid for it the next day. Okay, and the last synonym for at the expense of, but it affected. I work hard, but it affected my family time. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed and you learned. For watching more practical English, don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much.